Muhammad Zulkifli bin Mazlan, and I'm going to make a building inspection for this house. The building owner of this building is Arif bin Zainal, and this building is 10 years old. I'm going to introduce to you my partner in inspection.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Defects, and I'm going to inspect this house with Zul.
Okay, let's go make inspection.
First defect that we found is rust at the front gate at this house. The causes of this defect is due to the weather. Rusting will occur when they're exposed to water and air. Second defect that we found at car porch that is crack on the semi-render. The possible causes of this defect is due to the force of a heavy vehicle and the heat of the weather, which making the render expand more than its limit and crack will occur. Next defect is unwanted growth of the vegetation in the drain. The possible cause of this defect is the crack that occur in the drain. When the crack occurs, it will expose to the light and water. So, the plant will grow through the crack and it will give more damage to the structure of the drain. The next defect is also at the drain, which is white crack. This is caused due to the soil settlement. The depth of this crack is 15 mm, the length is 114 mm, and the breadth is about 50 mm. The next defect is gap between the external wall and apron. This defect also possible caused by the soil settlement. Okay, next location is in the toilet at the ground floor of this house. The defect that we found in this toilet is cracking of the plaster wall. The length is 320 mm, while the breadth is about 130 mm. The possible causes due to poor workmanship because the worker did not plaster back after they maintained the pipe. Next is the water flush is not functioning. This is because due to the tank lever inside the flush are broken and make the flush valve flapper cannot be used. Thus, the water cannot be flowed down to the toilet. So, the next defect is stain mark on the ceiling board that is located at the living area at second floor. This is possible due to the roof leaking when the heavy rain. Next, the defect is also the same like before. That is stain mark on the ceiling board. The possible causes is roof leaking due to terrain penetrating. In the master bedroom, we found dampness and chalky paint on the wall. This caused by the penetrating of the rain that may be contain the acid that affect the wall. This is what happened when heavy rain. The rainwater penetrate through the window and it affect the wall if you not close the window properly. The last defect is the hinge of the window is broken. The possible causes is due to human activity and poor maintenance. It is very hard to open and close this window.
Okay, after we have analyzed the defect from this building, based on the pie chart, we can see the highest defect found in the case study is crack, which has total 60% of the overall defect. While the intermediate defect found is defect on the dampness, which has total 12%, and 40% of the defect pie chart has the lowest percent, which 4% such as choking, missing, peeling, and more. Okay, according to the baris, which the 25 of the defects, we can see that this building total score is 5.36, which is in fair condition. This building only need condition monitoring, which does not need hard costs to make the building to be in good condition.
Okay, after we do the inspection at this house, we can conclude that the house is a fair condition, which is in berries, is yellow label, and the total mark for this house is 134 from the all 35 defects that we found.
Okay, for our recommendation, we recommend to the building owner to make a scheduled maintenance for this building. This is to make sure that the building will be in a very good condition and for the occupant to have a comfortable house. Okay, that's from us. Thank you.